Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to set the units of measurement on the product catalog. For that, let's move on to the sales module. And from here, first we need to consider a product. So I would like to consider the product as acoustic block screen. And here you can see the product. Let me make it as favorite. And as you just move on to the products here, you can see that we have the inventory. So there you can see that we have just got 16 quantity and we have just given the unit as per unit. Now upon moving on to the purchase tab, you can see that we have just set the different units such as pack of 6 as well as units over here. So if you just want to manage with the units, first you just need to enable with the units of measurements under the configuration settings, and afterwards only you can just manage with this. Okay. Now you can see that as we just move on here, under the sales, we have a field called packaging. There we just need to define the package that need to be displayed on the product catalog. So I have just done with it, and you can see that I'll be moving on to the orders over here. Let's create a new quotation, and I'm going to create a new quotation by choosing my customer. Let's say Openwood is the customer, and I'm going to add the product through the catalog. So as I just move to the catalog here, you can see that we can find the product, which is acoustic block screen, and I would like to just add the item over here. As I just click on add, you can see that we'll be getting the option of units of measurement, and here we are getting the option to add units of measurement. So under this, you can see that will be getting the option. Now if you try to add a product bolt over here, you can see that as we haven't linked multiple units of measurement over here, we cannot select that. Only the default units of measurement will be available over here. Okay, so once it's done, you can move on to the uh, product, and you can see that the units of measurement that we have selected from the catalog will be added over here. So this is one of the new or expected feature of Odoo 20, and that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.